Welcome to my Abacus English tutorial. From today we are going to start our lessons with techniques. For the rules you have to check my source, and my source is in 3 languages: black t-shirt for English, red t-shirt for Nepali, and pink t-shirt for Hindi. If you want to watch my full video, link is in the description box. Please click on that. Some of my episodes are muted by copyright claim because I used some background music there, and that was my big mistake. I will reshoot the video and re-upload that video very soon. For the notifications, you have to subscribe my YouTube channel, or you can follow me on the Facebook. I'm also available there. And if you have any questions, please comment me or message me. I will definitely answer that. And from today we are starting our lesson, but one more rule I forgot to tell you, and let me explain about that rule. In the abacus, questions are in vertical line with lots of column. Let me show one textbook. This is abacus textbook, and this is one number questions and with lots of column. Maybe it is 10 columns, okay? But do not panic, we are not going to start with this vast question. Actually, this is my daughter's textbook I just borrow for today. We are starting from nursery level, okay? Abacus is very good for adult, for mental exercise, and definitely this is very useful for kids for mental arithmetic. So please start with me. We are starting to walk, and our aim is to run with the abacus. Is this any mistake? Okay, forget that. We are starting. Let me explain one more time. This is question, one number questions and 3 columns, and number without any sign means you have to add that number. Number with minus or hyphen sign, you have to reduce that number. So let's start. Before starting, you have to note these questions on your notebook. Please pause this video and note these questions, okay? Can you see? Okay. So we are starting. First number question. First you have to make 0 position. You know how to make 0 position abacus? All the up bits are upside and all down bits are downside. It means 0 position, okay? Check my source for the rules. So first number questions. This is our marked rod. First number questions. 1 without sign, okay? 1 without sign means you have to add 1. Next, 3 without sign means you have to add that 3 also. This 3. 1, 2, 3. Like this. Not 1, 2, 3. You have to do 1 time 3. And next is 2 with minus sign. Minus 2 means reduce 2. 1, 2. Reduce. And answer is 2. And you have to write that answer here. Okay. This is another question, not the same question. Let's number 2. First is 4, means 4. And next minus 1. Reduce 1. Answer is 3. Okay. Next, 3 number questions. First place 3 and minus 1 and minus 2. Answer is 0. Next, number 4 plus 2 plus another 2 and reduce 3, minus 3. Answer is 1. This is very simple, you know. nursery level kids can also do these questions without writing. Okay, but for the finger practice and for the techniques, you have to do procedure, all the procedure one by one. Do not use your mental arithmetic for these questions, because we are starting to walk, means you have to learn step by step. So please do this all exercises by yourself, and if you have any questions, you can ask me. I will definitely answer that. And next video with one more techniques. So please join with me. See you in next video. Ta-da!